In this video I will show you how can you add a place on your Google Map. You can see here I have added a place on this Google Map. So if you interested to add a place on your Google Map where you want to visit or for any important work, so if you want to save, then watch the video till the end, because in this video I'll show the process how can you add a place on Google Map. So for adding a place on Google Map, you have to simply open your Google Map. You can see here I have come here on my Google Map. After come here on my Google Map, let's next I want to save this place to my save option. You can see if I click here you will can find here you have to simply click here and then you can see here option new list. You have to simply click here new list and you have to write here a name the place. You can see here I am simply writing the place name, and then you can give your, you can see here you can give a list of description. You can describe the place, but I am not going to do that. You will can see here option. If you click here on the describe option, you will can see here add option or plus icon. You have to simply click here. After clicking here you will can see her search option. You can search here a place for adding. I'm not searching here, I simply go here on Google Map, and then you can see here the pen icon or location icon. You can set it anywhere where you want, but I am setting it where I am now, and then you can see here OK. You have to simply click here OK. After clicking here OK, you will can see here save option. You can save it private or you can share with someone if you want. So I am simply saving it. You can add here a picture or icon and simply save it because I don't want to. If you want, you can do. So after save, you will can see here this place have save in your save list. You can see here your list the place have been added. So now if you come here on this Google Map, you will can easily find your save location on you, and that's how you can save and you can find your place. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.